Okay, today we will try to start with a rectangular or ramp supersonic intake system of a Ramjet engine. So what we'll try to do, we will try to, this is our fluid flow, fluent. Then what we try to do, we'll try to open geometry first. We'll try to open design modeler geometry. So this is our design modeler geometry model window. So we will try to select XY plane. Then we click and look at face. Then we will try to change units to millimeters. Whatever I will be drawing in a millimeters now. Then I will go to sketching here. Now from the draw toolbar, I will try to take a line. I will be drawing a line from the center point. So when I see P, I will be start drawing a line here. So this line makes an angle of, I will go to dimensions. Here I have an angle. I will select x-axis and now this inclined line. So I will be mentioning this angle A40 as 7.6. The angle, the first ramp. So this is called first ramp. I will be mentioning as angle as 7.6. Then I know horizontal distance for this first ramp is nothing but from here to this point is horizontal distance h41, which will be nothing but 300. So I'll be mentioning the angle and length for the first ramp. So I will zoom it out into my convenient location. So this is my first ramp I drawn. Next I will going to construct second ramp. So I will make it into convenient way. Then I will go to again draw, have a line. I will be drawing this second line from the end point of first line. So this is my another line I drawn. Again I will go to dimension, have an angle. I will be representing angle for the second line, x-axis, then the inclined line. So this is angle A42. A42 should be 14.6. Then I know the length for the second ramp also. Horizontal, I will select the end corner point and this corner point. Okay, so I will drag down the dimension value, which is h43. H43 value should be 184. So you can see first horizontal, that is horizontal distance is 300. Second horizontal distance is 184. Then I will go with a third ramp. So I said it is a 3 ramp. So I will go to again draw. I will be going with a line. So I'll be drawing a third ramp at here. Now I will be know the angle. I will go to dimension, angle, x-axis and this third inclined line. This angle is represented as A44. That angle should be 24. So this is my third ramp. The length for the third ramp along the horizontal are also known. So I will select this end point and this end point. I will drag my dimension below, which is H45. This value is 108. Okay. Now you can see there are three ramps are generated. Now there is a approach will be there. Approach line should be there. So I'll be drawing approach line. Draw line. I will be drawing approach line here. Now I know the angle. I will be representing angle. Okay, you can see the angle A46. A46 should be 12.1. 12.1. So this is my approach line. So I have a length for this one, horizontal dimension. I will select this is end point. This is another end point. I have a distance H47. H47 which is 38. So this is how I will finish 3 ramp with a approach line. Now I have a straight horizontal surface. I will go to draw line. I will be drawing a straight horizontal surface from the end point. So I will be drawing a straight horizontal line from this point. Now, so the length I known for this horizontal line, I will go with a horizontal. I will select this is my first point. This is my second point is not selecting. I will deselect edge. I have only point selection. I'll select this point. Then this length I known which is H48 870. Okay, so you can see there are 3 ramps I created. Then I will be having approach. Then I created a straight area. Now I will try to draw cowl now. So bottom portion is 3 ramps we have. Now I will try to draw cowl. So for that reason I will be drawing a so I will start with here. I will be extending this line, okay, in a vertical. So I know the dimension for this vertical. I will go with a vertical. I will deselect edge selection. I will select first point and the second point. The vertical dimension I should represent, which is 50. Okay, the vertical dimension is a 50 now. Now from this point, I will be drawing another horizontal line. From this point, I will be drawing one horizontal line. Then I know the cowl should be started with this point. So I will try to draw a vertical line with this point. Vertical line I was drawing. Now these two intersections I have, from these two intersections I need to draw a 16.5 degrees line. So I will go to line. I will draw still edge selection. I need point. Okay, point is not obtaining. So what I will try to do, I will modify trim. I will remove the extra portions at here. Uh, Extra portion at here. This is my extra portion. Now what I will try to do, I will try to go to draw line. Now I will be drawing with this point a inclined line. I know the angle, so I will go to dimension, angle. The angle I will be representing it here, which is already said 16.5. A50 16.5. Okay. Then I know the cowl height. So cowl height I know. So how I will draw? Cowl height is a 9. So for that reason I will take a line. I will be drawing another line from here in a vertical fashion. Then I will measure the distance vertical by deselecting edge selection. So this is my vertical distance V51, that is 9. Okay, very small length will be there. Then what I will try to do, I will simply draw a line. I will be drawing with this point, top point. I will be drawing a line from this top point. I should need only point. Again, I will deselect line, point. Then I will be drawing a horizontal line. Now, I will trim the remaining portion. Modify, trim. I will trim this extra portion. So this is my cowl. I have at the bottom, I have a ram and I have a cowl. What I will try to do, I will create a flow field here. So for that reason, I will be drawing a line from this bottom portion. Again, I need to select point. I will deselect edge selection. I will be drawing a line, a horizontal line, such that I can easily flow my air along over this rampant cowl. So I'll be giving a dimension for this one, horizontal. So it is H52 actually. 1877. I will make it 1800 in a convenient way. Then I will draw a vertical line from this point. I'll be drawing a vertical line. I will measure again its dimension, vertical dimension. So this is my vertical dimension now, V53. So it is 1400. Now, so what I will try to do, I will draw another horizontal line from this portion. Line from this portion, I will be drawing another horizontal line, and from the cowl upper surface, I will try to draw another line here. Okay, I will try to draw another line here from the upper surface. So this is my upper surface point of the cowl. I will be drawing another vertical line which crosses this horizontal line. It should be vertical. Okay, now I will trim this one, the extra portion. After trimming, okay, so this is my surface. So here if you want to get a surface, that means everything should be closed, otherwise you won't get a surface here. Here whether it is closed or not, we will verify properly. I will go with edge selection, whether it is closed or not. So I will start it here. Okay, it is continuous line, it is continuous line, it is continuous. Okay, it is also continuous, and it will be continuing it here. After this one, it have two branches. It should not have two branches. So it is having one branch at here, another branch here. So always it should be continuous. What I will try to do, I will trim this portion. So modify, trim. I will be trimming this portion. Now I have now continuous. After this one, I will be continuing here. Then I will continue here. Then here. Then I will continue in this way. So this is how I created a sketch, 2D sketch for the 3 ramp supersonic intake system of a Ramjet engine. So I will try to create a surface for this one. Okay, you see we have a sketch. So this is our complete sketch. So I will make this one into a surface. Total surface I will be creating. So what I will try to do, I will go to concept, have a surfaces from the sketches. So I will select sketch one, then apply. So click on generate. Now you can see this is our surface. We will make sure that whatever surface we generated, okay, whatever surface we generated, that should be represented as a fluid, not the solid. Now it is surface is a fluid. Then only we can flow A over it. So remember that this is your three ramp rectangular supersonic intake system of a ramjet engine. So finished with the geometry. Now simply we will close this geometry. So geometry window is completed. Okay, in the next video we'll see how to simulate the three ramp rectangular supersonic intake system of a ramjet engine. Thank you.